Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And let me introduce myself. My name is Nada Fahira, NIM 80411911075 from class A Android. This time I will present a journal with the title Association of Testosterone Therapy with Mortality, Myocardial Infarction, and Stroke in Men with Low Testosterone. This journal is a real journal investigation that have a purpose to get this research result. The purpose of this journal is to know how the rate of testosterone hormone in men and how to keep the rate of testosterone hormone in the body normal with testosterone therapy. The writer of this journal is Rebecca Fagan and friends from page 1829 until 1836. This journal, year 2013, with 310 volume, number 17. That's some of information about this journal. Now, the introduction that relate to this journal content. What is testosterone hormone? Is testosterone hormone generally relate to men? This hormone, now in public as hormone that affect libido, formation of muscle mass, level energy in endurance, and secondary sex characteristic changing to men with puberty. Testosterone hormone have responsibility start from sexual performance, bone, and muscle health. In a man, this hormone bring up physical characteristic in puberty. From a moment become a teenager, a boy will feel change in himself, such as his voice become deep and start feel sexual desire. All this normal changing includes physical and psychology can be happen because testosterone hormone function. Testosterone hormone is one of men's reproductive hormone or androgen hormone. Nevertheless, women also have this hormone in little amount. Testosterone hormone play a role in the development of reproduction organ in men and his sexuality. In men, most of testosterone hormone is produced in testicles. This testosterone production process happens by cooperation of hypothalamus and pituitary gland in the brain. This hormone also produced by adrenal glands, which is in the above of kidney in little amount. Meanwhile, in women, testosterone hormone produced by adrenal gland and ovary. That's not wrong if many people say that testosterone hormone is men's sex hormone, because one of these testosterone function to men's reproduction and sexuality. Without this hormone, men will experience reproduction disorder or interference, including of little amount of sperm. Hormone testosterone in the body of a man normally range between 250 until 1,100 nanogram per deciliter, with a good average of 680 nanogram per deciliter. There are also studies that show that level of the hormone testosterone that is optimal for men range from 400 until 600 nanogram per deciliter. The hormone is increased during the period of puberty and reaches peak when a man age about 10 years. After the age of 30 years and over, levels of this hormone will decrease about 1% each year. So when a man reaches the age of 65 years more, level of hormone testosterone is normal. They range between 300 until 450 nanogram per deciliter. Next, the hormone testosterone can only be reduced by also exercise. The reduced level of the hormone testosterone is actually a state of nature as the age of men. In addition to the factors of aging, low hormone testosterone also can be triggered by the condition of hypogonadism. On condition that the test produce too little hormone testosterone. In the other, there is also a man or woman who had levels of the hormone testosterone in our figure is normal. based on my statement, this journal discuss how testosterone levels in men are and how to keep testosterone levels in the body normal. That was the introduction to this journal. Then we move on method research. As for the research method using the CARD program, namely clinical assessment, reporting, and tracking. The program CARD is a program that uses a special software application to collect patient data testosterone. In the journal, explained that from 8,709 men with levels of testosterone total is lower than 300 nanogram per deciliter. 1,223 patients start therapy testosterone after an average 531 days after angiography coronary. Of the 748 men died. 443 had MI, and 7,486 patients who did not receive testosterone therapy. 681 died. To keep testosterone hormone rate, some of experts recommend to monitoring testosterone hormone rate every 5 years. Start from a man of age 35. If known that you have too little hormone rate or experience low rate testosterone hormone symptoms, doctor might tell to do hormone therapy. In this therapy, your doctor will supervise your testosterone hormone rate strictly to make sure the hormone rate not become high. This therapy cannot necessarily be undertaken by all men. A man who is suspect or known to have prostate cancer or breast cancer, kidney disease, liver disease, or his disease is advised not to take this therapy because it can increase the risk of complication from the disease he is suffering from. Whereas woman, treatment to keep testosterone normal depend on the cause. Generally, treatment for this condition includes medical treatment and lifestyle change. Next is research advance. First, it is an original investigative journal, so there is not doubt about its research. 2. Easy use of theory so that it can be understood. 3. The author used quite a lot of reference. 4. The discussion in this journal is brief and concise. Next is lack of journal. 1. Use of grammar that is difficult to understand. And 2. The author does not explain directly the purpose of this study. So the reader must draw conclusion first so that the objective of this study are obtained. Okay, that was my journal presentation. More or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.